The blend is so perfect. I hate pineapple. Middle में खेल रहे हैं. Coffee महंगी पड़ रही है. Very very good quality stuff. बड़ा नहीं हुआ है कुछ भी. Why it's $4.99? When are you going to come on Shark Tank? Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome back to the official Impulse Coffees YouTube channel. I'm Sarah Sarush. I'm the founder and CEO of Impulse Coffees, and for today's video, I am going to be answering your hot and happening questions about our new summer collection launch. Impulse Coffees ने अभी हाल ही में on 8th of March we launched our summer collection, which had one apparel piece, which is the one I'm wearing right now. This very nice sunshine yellow color oversized t-shirt that says "Iced coffee is my lover." We also launched a very unique coffee flavor that's pineapple coffee. हमारी coffee का नाम है पल पल pineapple, and we launched that as well as this apparel piece. Firstly, I really want to thank you all because it was such a successful launch. All thanks to you all. You all showed it crazy amounts of love. Like we've sold out 50% just on launch weekend, and that's mad. पहले हमने सोचा था कि एक ही बार मतलब हम स्टॉक करेंगे, out of stock चला जाएगा. We will never restock it again because it was limited edition entirely. We still want to keep it limited edition, but we've already started working on a restock for you all. So there will be one more restock, and then once that sells out, we'll be done for good with the summer collection because हमको नहीं चाहिए कि summers है अभी भी but आपने summer collection खरीदा नहीं, because a lot of you all still are waiting to get your hands on the coffee and the apparel. So everything is linked नीचे for you all. आज मेरा रोजा है तो I cannot have coffee, but of course our coffee is amazing. It's all made with 100% Arabica coffee. It's super well balanced with flavors and coffee, so you can enjoy Impulse Coffees with the links in the description, and all our fabrics. Everything is just 100% made in India. We're very conscious with the way we are manufacturing everything at Impulse Coffees, and everything has been kept in mind. हर एक चीज आपके लिए linked होगी नीचे. If you've not already subscribed to the Impulse Coffees YouTube channel, make sure that you do, because we post every Saturday. We keep it super fun and very engaging for your entertainment. And with that, let's dive straight into this. तो मेरी Impulse Coffees social media team ने आपके लिए Instagram पे Q&A box डाला था और काफी questions आए हैं. I have a good amount of questions, so let me get started with the first thing that has been the hottest question. कि how did you even think of pineapple, Sarah? Such a unique flavor. Okay, so the thing with Impulse Coffees is when I launched, I knew I wanted to bring really good coffee. ये एक motive होता है ना इंसान का कि आप क्यों कर रहे हो जो आप कर रहे हो. तो मेरा motive was to bring really good coffee to everybody's table. And first things first, the first launch that I was going to ever do at Impulse Coffees was only going to be one flavor. I was only going to launch with Raat Ki Rani Espresso. That was the one coffee flavor जिसके साथ मैं launch करने वाली थी. फिर मैं mocha और vanilla लाने वाली थी in the picture. And धीरे करके I was going to launch, but I took a chance and I invested a lot in the company at the first go-getter, and हमने 3 flavors के साथ launch किया था, which was very well received. Those have become holy grails in so many people's kitchens over the past 2 years. Or mocha, vanilla, Raat Ki Rani espresso, that is like, you know, staple coffee. After that, we did one more must-have, which is nut-cut hazelnut. So hazelnut is another thing that is very well achieved, received, but that I really wanted to perfect, because hazelnut जितना easily consume होता है ना, उतना easily बनता नहीं है. Hazelnut was a really tough nut to crack. I always used to say this. But fruity coffee का मुझे बहुत चस्का था, because मैं पानी में coffee पीती हूँ without sugar, right? So it really adds to that spark to your coffee. Like you want it to be a little refreshing when you have your coffee. Firstly, none of our coffee has chicory in it, so you don't get that bitter aftertaste anyway. But the flavor really adds some value. So flavored coffee is something I really personally enjoy, not just drinking but also curating for y'all. Chocolate raspberry was the first experiment जो हमने किया था, जो बहुत well received है. It's a permanent. And after that, we've only gotten more confident, you know. And honestly, Kacha Aam was like a nail in the coffin. जब Kacha Aam coffee launch होके बिक गया ना 100%, we were so confident कि yes, our audience trusts us कि हम जो करेंगे सही करेंगे. हमको पता है coffee कैसे बनाते हैं, and now our audience trusts us. So with pineapple, honestly, I was not that scared. We were very excited to do pal pineapple, because pineapple के samples भी मेरे पास Kacha Aam के time पे आ गए थे. And this thinking of which flavor I should do is very like a team effort. It's our manufacturers also involved in this. He tells us कि क्या possible है, because organic flavoring में सब कुछ possible नहीं होता है. Because I have wanted to do salted caramel since day one, and it's not something we've managed to achieve. 2 साल हो गए आज तक salted caramel नहीं achieve हो पाया है. So that's something that organic flavors में बहुत मुश्किल होता है लाने के लिए. We don't use preservatives in our coffee. We don't use artificial flavoring. We use USDA certified organic flavoring, which is why our flavors stay in the jar also. Like अगर आप आज pal pineapple पियोगे, 1 महीने बाद भी पियोगे, it is going to have that same flavor profile. It doesn't age in the jar. It's because we use organic flavors. unlike other coffee brands on the market. So that's all something जो of course manufacturing side से मुझे input आता है कि हम ये कर सकते हैं, हम ये नहीं कर सकते, and then our team takes a collective decision कि this will be better received, this will not be better received. Like कच्चा आम पे we were all standing at a 50-50 in my team. The 50% of my team was not convinced and 50% of us were like कर देते, you know, let's just try. But Pal Pal Pineapple, I think everybody was sold, everybody loved it, and now you all love it. So I'm super glad. And honestly, because I'm the sole investor in the company, मैं ये सारे decisions ले सकती हूँ because मुझे रोकने वाला टोकने वाला कोई है नहीं. So we can have fun with our coffee over here. Whereas if I had somebody sitting on my head, probably I wouldn't have been able to, you know, take such chances and risks. Next question is, how many experiments did we do to taste the flavor or the chosen good one of Pal Pal Pineapple? It took us 3 rounds and हर राउंड पे आई थिंक 2 से 3 सैंपल्स थे. पहले वाले में 3 थे, फिर 2 थे, फिर तीसरे राउंड में हमारा एक सैंपल अप्रूव हो गया था. सो आई कैन टेल यू कि पहले ही राउंड से हमारे पास बहुत अच्छे सैंपल्स आ रहे थे. लाइक दैट्स आल्सो समथिंग दैट माय मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट डज देयर ओन वेटिंग आल्सो एंड सेंड, बिकॉज़ एट दिस पॉइंट दे वर्कड विद मी सिंस सो मेनी इयर्स, सो दे नो कि मुझे किस तरीके का पसंद है. एंड हमारी काफी बातें वर्बली भी हो जाती है थ्रू द फैक्ट्रीज. सो आधी बातें तो हमारी ऐसी हो जाती है कि ये ऐसा नहीं, ये ऐसा चाहिए, तो आधी चीजें कम्युनिकेट हो जाती है. उसके बाद भी जब 8 सैंपल्स हो रहे हैं, सो इट्स like I can tell you 20 samples have been rejected at their end only, and then they send us the very good stuff, and then from that we narrow down the very best. So it took us the 8th sample is what we narrowed down, which is not bad. Nutcut hazelnut में बहुत ज़्यादा लगे थे, so I'm still happy with the amount of sampling we did with Pal Pal Pineapple. The next question is asking me, how many days have you been working for this flavor? Absolutely loved it. Firstly, thank you so much for trusting us and खरीदने के लिए. You know, it's a unique flavor. We always think that कौन खरीदेगा, but thank you for buying, thank you for trusting us and for loving it. I'm so glad you love it. We started in, I want to say सितंबर अक्टूबर, तो सितंबर अक्टूबर नवंबर दिसंबर जैन फेब 6 महीने लगे. बट सारे 6 महीने फ्लेवर के मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में नहीं लगे थे. 3 महीने में फ्लेवर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड फ्लेवर फाइनलाइजेशन वाज डन. बट वी सैट ऑन दीस सैंपल्स सिंस कच्चा आम. सो इफ यू वांट टू कैलकुलेट दैट फुल ईयर यू कैन, बट ऑनेस्टली हमने इतना एक्टिवली उसकी तरफ काम नहीं किया था. वी जस्ट हैड द सैंपल्स एंड वी न्यू कि हम अगले समर में करेंगे. कच्चा आम के टाइम पे ओनली वी न्यू कि अगले समर में हम पाइनएप्पल करने वाले. लाइक पायल वाज कन्विंस्ड दैट वी आर डेफिनेटली डूइंग पाइनएप्पल दिस समर. यू कैन कैलकुलेट अ गुड ऑफ 3 months of rigorous work and then labels के साथ end-to-end manufacturing 6 months is what we took for Pal Pal Pineapple. Neha has asked, why is Pal Pal Pineapple priced at $4.99 unlike the other flavors? Gonna order it anyway. Thank you so much firstly for trusting us, like I keep saying. It's a huge deal for some, you know, आप लोग मुझे इतनी अच्छी से जानते नहीं हो. You all meet me virtually, you all meet us virtually, and you all are trusting us through that and purchasing, and I always take it very seriously that you all are putting money into our product. It has to be worth your money. वो हम पूरी कोशिश करते हैं. Okay, so now coming down to why is Pal Pal Pineapple selling at rupees 4.99 instead of 3.99 like our other flavors. I'll be very honest with you all, just like I always am. First things first, coffee के rates बहुत ज़्यादा increase हो गए, बहुत ही exponentially बढ़ गए raw material के cost, and ये बात हमको 6 महीने पहले ही पता चल गई थी कि coffee के rates have been increased, but somehow we were trying to curb it at our own end और हम absorb कर रहे थे cost, और 6 महीने से हम खुद ही absorb किए जा रहे हैं cost to the point that it was just not making sense for us anymore when the storage costs also increased. कम जनवरी जब नया साल आया, if you watch us regularly और आपको हमारी जर्नी पता है, you know we warehouse with Shiprocket warehouses and they take a fulfillment fee. मतलब उनकी फीस होती है हमारा कितनी यूनिट्स, हम कितनी जगह ले रहे हैं उनके वेयरहाउस में, उसके हिसाब से they charges a fee and they do our end to end fulfillment. तो आपको पूरे ऑर्डर्स वहीं से उनके वेयरहाउस से मिलते हैं. उनके कॉस्ट भी जनवरी में बढ़ गए. Of course the team is also growing, so everything just kept increasing cost wise for us and we didn't launch a coffee flavor in a year. Like एक साल से हमने कोई भी कॉफी फ्लेवर लॉन्च नहीं किया था. So that was a very calculative decision के हमको प्राइसेस बढ़ाने तो पड़ेंगे, बट हम बढ़ाएंगे कैसे, बिकॉज वी आर सेलिंग, यू नो, दोज रेगुलर यूजर्स एंड द रेगुलर बायर्स ऑफ आवर कॉफी आर ऑलरेडी कंज्यूमिंग इट एट दिस प्राइस एंड वी रियली डोंट वांट टू इंक्रीज द प्राइस ऑफ आवर एग्जिस्टिंग दिस. इवन अगर आप देखोगे Amazon पे, इफ यू बाय, आई कुड बी रॉन्ग बिकॉज माय ऑपरेशंस टीम नोज दिस बेटर, बट आई थिंक द Amazon labels already print and come with rupees 4.99 because Amazon does not allow us to charge shipping cost separately. हमारी वेबसाइट पे अगर आप देखोगे तो शिपिंग कॉस्ट अलग से लगता है. Another thing that पेट्रोल के भाव बढ़ने के बाद शिपिंग कॉस्ट इतना ज्यादा बढ़ गया है कि बिग conglomerates like Myntra and Nykaa have also been charging shipping. So we तो at a bootstrap startup level we can't even absorb shipping in our cost anymore. पहले से भी हमको बहुत मुश्किल होता था. बीच में हम लोग दे रहे थे फ्री शिपिंग above a certain price और काफी लोग पूछते हैं कि क्यों आपने हटा दिया. The only reason is because shipping के भाव literally दुगने हो गए, मालूम है, and we just could not absorb that cost at our end. So those became the like criteria for shipping cost increase. Amazon doesn't allow you to charge charge shipping separately. So the coffee is already priced at $4.99 on Amazon if you see and shop from Amazon. So it's actually the same thing. You pay shipping separately here and you pay $4.99 here. So in between when we were onboarding with Amazon, तभी हमारे labels अलग से print हो रहे थे. Like for Amazon we were printing separately and हमारी warehouse के लिए we were printing separately. But अभी if I'm not mistaken, again my operations team knows better, कि we've generalized the labels and now everywhere the same label of rupees 499 goes out of MRP. But हम लोग फिर भी आपको हमारी वेबसाइट पे 399 में ही 50 grams कॉफी बेच रहे हैं. But with Pal Pal Pineapple, with the increased rate of absolutely everything and it being limited edition and because it's a small unit, small stock, हम लोग ने दूसरे patterns of दूसरे businesses and दूसरे coffee brands भी observe किए कि जब भी कुछ भी limited edition आता है, it is priced at a premium. So we decided that we could possibly do that with Pal Pal Pineapple so that we could absorb the cost जो वैसे भी हमको हर एक कॉफी महंगी पड़ रही है. But बाकी चीजें तो हम सेम ही रेट में बेच रहे हैं, हम हमारे साइड से कॉस्ट नहीं बढ़ा रहे. So at least over here we'll be able to absorb cost. So that was like a very calculative decision that we had to take for Pal Pal Pineapple's costing. That is the reason why it's priced at $4.99, but it's still slashed down to $4.29 for y'all. I hope y'all understood that maths. I tried to dumb it down as much as I could, but yeah, that is it. Why did you make the sizing bigger? हमको excess भी काफी बड़ा होगा. Okay, so the sizing of this t-shirt is not bigger, it's just more oversized in its feel. I don't know how to explain it. Extra small, you saw already Moksha wearing it. She's in our campaign photos as well, and she's really lean and she wears extra small in her regular fast fashion brands also. And extra small में oversized, it's giving you that baggy, comfortable like boyfriend jeans, oversized t-shirt वाला vibe. वो हम लोगों ने सिर्फ इधर से increase किया है उसका length और थोड़ा सा इसका इधर से length shorten किया है. Like हमारे पुराने t-shirts इधर से लंबे हैं and इधर से sleeves short है. So now what we've done is we've given you the drop appearance. So this is dropping all the way नीचे and this is dropping more नीचे, whereas the length has shortened. तो overall अगर आप देखने जाओगे तो ऐसे बड़ा नहीं हुआ है कुछ भी, और खाली आपको ज्यादा baggy लग रहा है और ज्यादा flowy लग रहा है because fabric तो बहुत ही अलग है. Fabric is more flowy and that was more stiffer because that was like a terry cotton. This is a moisturized cotton. तो वो फर्क आया, but sizing में इतना फर्क है नहीं. Excess अगर आप खरीदो आप excess ही खरीदो. Why is the t-shirt so expensive? Personally speaking, I don't think $8.99 for a t-shirt is expensive because the quality that we are offering is superb quality, guys. Like when I tell you all that we washed this, we tested everything at our end, fabric and print wise, end to end the quality में बिल्कुल compromise नहीं हुआ. जो quality का हम material खरीद रहे हैं उसी quality के level पे हम pricing करने की कोशिश करें तो हम literally 4,000 में भी बेच सकते हैं because there are brands out there who are selling this quality in 3,000, 4,000 also and we are very well aware of those brands also. हम वो league में खेलना ही नहीं चाहते इसलिए हम middle में खेल रहे हैं. This is H&M Zara pricing for y'all, but this is 100 times better than that quality. I can tell you that much because lately I as a fashion and beauty creator buy so much of fast fashion and whenever I wash these brands and these clothes it just washes so badly and वो एक दो बार धुलने वाले कपड़े हो गए, जबकि ये Impulse के t-shirts में इतना पहनती हूँ. हमारा sweatshirt तो I have used and abused our sweatshirt and it's as good as new. Every time it comes from laundry it looks like it's a fresh piece. So that's the aging of that fabric is just that good. हमारे print पे कुछ भी आपको problem नहीं आएगी, like it will not tear, वो पपड़ी बन के निकलेगा नहीं. This is very good quality stuff that I'm talking about, super premium. Like I said कि हमारी manufacturing में हम इतने conscious है. अगर मुझे आप कुछ भी दोगे ना, I'm the kind of person that I would rather buy one thing which is very expensive but very good. I'm not a hoarder. I'm not somebody who will buy 100,000 things just because सस्ता है तो 100 200 के हजारों चीजें खरीद लूंगी. I'm the kind of person जो 800 रुपया दिया 800 रुपए का मेरा वर्थ होना चाहिए और अच्छी मैं एक चीज लूंगी. So that's the motive I'm following with my business also कि एक चीज बनाओ अच्छे से बनाओ, एक चीज खरीदो अच्छे से खरीदो, इतनी अच्छी होनी चाहिए कि आपको 10 चीजें लगेगी. I know कि आपको कपड़े में variation पसंद है and you like variety in your wardrobe. I also like variety in my wardrobe, but at the same time I don't want any piece that I'm investing in to become trash, you know, in like 2-3 uses. Especially because we are making comfy apparel, एकदम like lounge wear style. आप उसको कैसे भी पहनो, घर में पहनो, बाहर पहनो, सोते समय पहनो, जो करना है वैसे पहनो and it's going to look as fresh and refreshing. तो इतनी बार आप धो सकते हो, वैसा वाला फैब्रिक हमने सोच समझ के ही लिया है. Like I'm saying, these fabrics sell really expensive. If you go to a high-end label who are doing streetwear brands, high-end में, they are selling this same fabric for 3,000, 4,000 rupees. We are selling it at $8.99. You just keep that in mind and you'll be able to tell that Impulse Coffee's apparel is not expensive. Can we alter the t-shirt sizes according to our need? आप खरीदने के बाद alter करा सकते हो, but हमारे पास customization का कोई option नहीं है because this is not ordered on demand. Like ऐसे भी brands होते हैं जो print on demand करते हैं, जब आप order करोगे उसके बाद वो लोग printing में डालेंगे और फिर उसके बाद आपको deliver करते हैं. Then these brands take around 20-30 days to deliver your order. We are not that way. We print and keep everything within 5-6 days. you get our deliveries. Max अगर थोड़ा remote होता है तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा time लगेगा, but max to max you get, because like I said, we Shiprocket is our warehouse partner, so everything goes over there. We can't really, once everything is gone to the warehouse, we can't really alter the size or anything, which is also why we can't really do exchanges and returns, because everything is a third party warehouse. हम लोग यहाँ से shipment नहीं करते, यहाँ से warehousing हमारे इधर नहीं होती है. Something like a no-brainer, like you know that how we can keep the volume of our business alive, because हम लोग बैठ के orders pack करने लगे तो फिर business growth कौन करेगा, वैसा हो जाएगा. I wanna buy Pal pineapple, but I'm a bit skeptical because I love my coffee with milk. Don't have to be skeptical about that. It tastes beautiful, yummy with milk also. I have it so much with lactose-free milk, very delicious. मेरा रोजा है तो मुझे और भूख लग रही है. कॉफी की इतनी ज़्यादा craving हो रही है रोजे में, because I've not had coffee in 3-4 days. But yeah, it's amazing with milk. Don't doubt it. Dikshita had it with milk in the trial video, और काफी लोग milk के साथ भी पीते हैं. Absolutely no problem with that. What are your tips to style the cool tea? I honestly am a baggy t-shirt, baggy jeans kind of girl. So I like to keep it very, very loose on those days, or a shorts and a baggy t-shirt kind of girl. And a lot of stack. Like मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है कि I'm really heavily accessorizing my arms these days, keeping it small on the earrings, very heavy arms, bold lip because you know summer, bright color. And this is literally the vibe. आप मुझे नीचे नहीं देख सकते, अब मैंने pajama pants पहने, but नीचे you can wear baggy jeans or short, whatever your mood is. You haven't done a 100-gram jar of Pal pineapple. We haven't. ये बात actually मैंने broadcast पे पूछी थी. मेरा broadcast channel है Instagram पे, मेरे personal Instagram पे, और उस पे I had asked my followers that I am going to be launching this flavor that I'm very confident about. What do you think? कि मुझे 50 grams करना चाहिए कि 100 grams करना चाहिए? Because I know कि इतना अच्छा है कि people would love to have a 100-gram jar, and especially because it's limited edition, they will not be able to buy it again. But I think 80% people voted for 50 grams, which is why we decided to then go for 50 grams. It was a very subscribers ने ये decision लिया था, मैंने नहीं, मुझे तो 100 grams ही करना था. दोनों नहीं किया because limited edition है तो हमारा फिर stock बिकेगा नहीं time पे, हमको summer में बेच के इसको खत्म करना है. Like we will come out with something new very soon. We are already working towards our next launches. ये साल Impulse एकदम धासु launches आएंगे, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, there is no 100 grams in Pal pineapple. There's 50 and you can buy it multiple times, so it'll become 100. What are the base notes of the flavor apart from pineapple? The notes of the flavor in general on sipping are fruity and sweet. Like it's not sweet in a sugary sort of way. Sweet pineapple cake जैसा खा रहे हो ना वैसा वाला way, but it's very well balanced with coffee. So you're gonna get like the absolute kick of both. और वो मेरे को major feedback आ रहा है अभी कि wow Sara, the blend is so perfect that you get the perfect balance of both the pineapple aroma, the tropical, the fruity freshness of pineapple with a nice coffee balance. So that is definitely there. Okay, the next question asks me how can we get it in Dubai? The international shipment has been a huge concern for all our followers on social media. One way to do it is to contact our customer service at the given number. मैं screen पे डाल दूंगी, and वो number पे you can tell कि आपको कितना order करना है. We have a private shipment company, उनसे हम rates find out करते हैं shipment के, and then you will have to bear the shipment cost and we can send you the coffee for the order value. So that's one way to go about with it. At a very small scale, we are able to execute international shipment like this. Already हमने 4-5 orders UK, Canada वगैरह में भेजे हैं, but ये बहुत small scale में हम ऐसे कर पाते हैं. हम website पे इसीलिए नहीं कर पाते हैं because Shiprocket के cost of international shipment is something हम website पे integrate ही नहीं कर पाएंगे. Like वो 100 रुपया जो हम इंडिया में charge कर रहे हैं, international shipment costs are very very expensive. So it's something we can't put on our website. वो एक limitation हो जाती है logistically. So my team is working towards this on a smaller scale. So you can have your customized orders sent out from the Impulse team like this. Of course, there are other ways कि आपके रिश्तेदार आ रहे हैं तो you can have them get your coffee, or if any friend of yours is traveling to Dubai, anybody who's coming to Dubai, you can just ask them to get it for you. That's a much more easier, I think, किफायती way, because then वो लोग इंडिया में खरीद के आपके लिए लेके आ सकते हैं. But yeah, if you want a personalized order, we do that. We do international shipment personalized way में through our operations team, through our customer service number. How to check your order or any tracking if I have ordered from you? हमारा orders go through Shiprocket. Shiprocket की website पे you put your order number and you can track your orders over there. आपको order number message पे आ जाता होगा. We are also working towards WhatsApp updates for you all. ये already एक work in progress है backend पे. तो बहुत ही जल्द जब आप Impulse पे order करोगे, आपको WhatsApp पे notifications आते रहेंगे कि आपका order pack हो गया, आपका order ये हो गया. If you put your details properly when you're placing the order, if you put your phone number and all, you get text messages. So text messages are feature जो starting से हमारे पास रहा है, but a lot of times people forget to put their phone number. तो आपको वो order number and order confirmation वगैरह आता नहीं है, but आप phone number और email address डालोगे तो वो तो वैसे भी आता है. But हम WhatsApp वाले पे भी अभी काम कर रहे हैं, तो WhatsApp पे भी आपको updates आने लगेंगे बहुत जल्द. Why don't you deliver to Europe, especially in France? I'm telling you, 2 hands too less. मुझे करनी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, but हाथ कम पड़ जाते हैं. But slow and steady, we are trying to, just break beyond beyond the recession and the very capitalist market of every cost increasing and somehow trying to sustain and grow. The limitation is such that the minute we grow and want to put our funds into doing things like this, raw material महंगा हो जाता है या कुछ और महंगा हो जाता है, तो हमारे सारे जो funds accumulate होते हैं वो ये सारी चीजों में लग जाते हैं. So then expansion becomes a limitation. And again, like I said, I don't have investor funding. It's all like a bootstrap business. It's all my own funding or the company's money itself. So it's very difficult to recycle at that point to go global right now. I'm not there yet. You only have one t-shirt this time. I want more. We're working on it. We're listening. We're working on it is all I can say. बहुत अच्छा feedback मिला ये वाली t-shirt को. This material has been very well received and I understand why, because it's just that breathable fabric and I think people love the feel of this breathable fabric so much more. Our previous apparel was also very well received. That was also very breathable, but that had a heavier, मतलब अगर आप दोनों को पकड़ोगे, you will definitely feel the terry cotton to be heavier than mercerized cotton. तो वो difference है, but yeah, we'll bring more in this fabric very soon. We're working on it. Why don't you make apparel of different colors? Again, the same question, working on it. I hate pineapple. Will I still be liking the new flavor? I hate pineapple. I still love the flavor. I absolutely cannot stand the fruit because वो जो बीच का खाल हो ना तो फिर वो धार छिल जाती है मुंह की. मुझे बिल्कुल वो टेस्ट और वो फील पसंद नहीं है pineapple का. I said it in the vlog also. हमने बाद में काट दिया था, but I don't like pineapple. I love the coffee. The coffee is so good because then you only get the notes. Now you don't get that fruit का वो pulp और वो धार और आपका मुंह नहीं छिल जाता है. So you love pineapple coffee irrespective of liking pineapple as a fruit or not. When are you going to come on Shark Tank? This is the last question and the most asked question. Oh my god, the Shark Tank obsession in India is real right now and so many people have been asking me this on my personal socials, on Impulse's socials. अब जब मैं बैठ गई हूँ तो मैं बताती हूँ आपको Shark Tank का major क्या है. ऐसा नहीं कि हमने देखा नहीं है. It's not like we've not looked into what does it take to be on Shark Tank. Firstly, if you go to Shark Tank, the people you see on the episodes, you have to pay a royalty for that. It's not that आप खाली जा रहे हो अपना pitch लेके and आपको सीधा टीवी पे डाल देंगे क्योंकि आपका pitch अच्छा है. You have to pay Sony a royalty fee to be able to have your episode aired because Shark Tank is a great marketing source at this point for a lot of businesses. Because सारे लोग टीवी पे उसको consume करते हैं, फिर सारे लोग वो brands को try करने लगते हैं, फिर उसके review videos बनते हैं. It's organic marketing that the business gets. So it's great for them. A lot of brands are doing it purely for marketing, not even for fundraising. For me, it's not making sense to give a royalty to Sony because I don't have the funds right now to burn to go on Shark Tank for the marketing. I know it's great marketing. It's definitely something in the future. I feel like it's a great, बहुत अच्छा जरिया है to get your brand to maximal people because Shark Tank is Shark Tank. It's on TV. It is only going to keep growing. हम कब जाएंगे उसका timing एकदम perfect होना चाहिए because I feel like it's a very good business move and I don't just want to take it casually. एक दिन बस मुंह उठा के चले गए. Like I want my numbers to be strong. I want to be going with a strong pitch. So the day I go to Shark Tank, I will be very well prepared. I'll not just go for fun. Like that's not the vibe. Secondly, also fundraising. When it comes to fundraising, I'm also not mentally there as a person, as an entrepreneur for fundraising because the minute investors are invested in your company, they have a certain expectation and that is to grow their funds. Like उनको company से कुछ पड़ी नहीं है, उनको coffee से पड़ी नहीं है, उनको मेरे motive से पड़ी नहीं है, उनको मेरे message से पड़ी नहीं है, उनको फर्क नहीं पड़ता कितनी अच्छी क्वालिटी की कॉफी है, कितना अच्छा क्वालिटी का अपैरल है, उनको पैसा डाला है, पैसा मल्टीप्लाई करके चाहिए. And that's a very simple धंधे का रूल ही वो है कि बस पैसा डाला है, पैसा मल्टीप्लाई करके चाहिए. That's the kind of energy I don't want in my business at this point because I started Impulse with a very, it's a very, I don't know how to explain it. It's my emotion. It's my labor of love. I've put so many sleepless nights in Impulse Coffees. It's not funny. I have my self-packed orders, sent so many orders, like hundreds of orders back when we launched were packed by me and sent out. Like मैंने बहुत मेहनत की है to bring the company at what it stands today. Of course, an investor funding would do me great business-wise and mint me a lot of money, but I'm just not there mentally कि कोई मुझे आके बोले कि ये launch करो, वो launch करो, this will do you well, this will not do you well. Pineapple कौन खरीदेगा? ये मत खरीदो. Caramel बनाओ, ये बनाओ, वो बनाओ. ये हो जाएगा अगर investors आ जाएंगे company. It's great to have money, but it's also great to choose where you're getting it from. So that being said, it's not that investor funding is always bad. This is the crux of it. Like if you get good investors who are like mentors to you, who guide you while giving you money, they also help you in how to multiply and काफी मतलब help भी करता है investor funding, no doubt about that. But आपको भी उतना involve होना पड़ेगा business में. At this point, as a content creator and entrepreneur, जब मैं 2 jobs कर रही हूँ, my content creator profession takes up a lot more of my time than as an entrepreneur. So I'm not able to give it that much time as an entrepreneur. And the minute an investor comes, they'll be like, what are you doing? You need to work at this company. Like they'll start questioning me as to why am I not putting my time into the company that they have invested in. So again, I'm just not there yet time-wise, energy-wise, mentally, physically. I don't feel like Impulse Coffee Coffees needs any investor fund. मैं हूँ ना, मैं invest कर रही हूँ company में. I'm still there. अभी हम जिंदा है. So I am still doing the business and I'm doing just fine, I think. So I don't need the investor funding at this point. But in the future, it's something that I'm never going to close my doors on. It's, you know, business is very evolving. Like जैसे महंगाई भी बढ़ रही है, business भी बढ़ रहा है, जैसे चीजें बढ़ रही है, change हो रही है. हम बार-बार like हर 3 महीने में assess and analyze करते हैं कि क्या करना चाहिए कि नहीं. कभी ना कभी I know I will come around the fact that okay, at this point now I need somebody from the outside to guide me. I'm done. Like इसके आगे मेरा दिमाग चल नहीं रहा है. अब मुझे पैसा भी बाहर से चाहिए और दिमाग भी बाहर से चाहिए. उस दिन we will have investors in Impulse Coffees and SAS Enterprises Private Limited and you all will know. That being said, I hope you all enjoyed. This was quite the Q&A. आपके काफी questions थे और मैंने जितना honestly हो सके सब कुछ answer किया है. In the month of Ramzan, you all already know कि हम लोग बिल्कुल discounts नहीं run करते हमारी website पे, but 10% of all our profits from this month go to Ashray NGO and they do some great work on our behalf. So it's a great way to donate. अगर आपको हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि I want to make a difference in society, I want to do some charity, but ऐसा लगता है कि कितना ही दूंगी, मेरे से नहीं होता इतना देने, just order on Impulse Coffees और सारा कुछ पूल करके, मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, बूंद बूंद से सागर बनता है, तो वो बूंद बूंद से जो सागर बनता है उससे आश्रय NGO can make a very big difference and they've made a huge difference in the last year and the year before last, जो मैंने already एक shorts में अपने channel पे share किया है. They fed over 2,000 people in Kashmir and do so many feeding drives. I've been a part of their education drives as well. They do cleanliness drives, beach cleanups, women empowerment, giving sanitary kits to women. बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं वो लोग. तो अगर आपको personally भी उनको donate करना है, you should check it out. But Impulse के through we anyways donate to them in this month. And additionally हमारा कोई भी discount नहीं है, but 100-gram jars on our website have been slashed down for this month. Right now as we speak, our 100-gram of all our Impulse Coffees flavors is selling at rupees 649. So if you want to get your hands on the bigger jars, now is the time. With that, I hope you subscribe to our channel, check out Impulse Coffees, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.